All right, so we got the frame up to the house, and we're going to start on it today. Today we're just going to try to get everything stripped off we're not going to use, which is pretty much everything but the frame. And I'll probably leave the axles until I make a decision on which end I want to use and get some measurements. Some of that stuff I'm going to save and repurpose, make into some beautiful artwork, you know, fancy crafty stuff. The rest of it we're just going to scrap. So we'll get some stuff set up, see if we can't get rocket on this thing. Alright, well, I'm back in the confessional booth. We redid it since the last time you saw it. It's nice, got a nice funk story to it. I kind of like it. Anyway, listen, you're about to watch a video about this whole grader project, okay? And I get to the end, okay? And listen, I say something that doesn't make sense. It's dumb. I'm going to tell you right now it's dumb. I know it's dumb. I figured it out after the video was edited and after I was so excited with all my measuring going to work out. I can't hook it up to the 3-point because then I'd only be able to grade in a straight line. And my road has curves in it, so I'm gonna have to put it on a drawbar. I know that now. I didn't know it when I made the video, so it's gonna be dumb. Hold on. Hello? I'm on my way. Well, traffic. Well, what do you want me to do? I mean, I'm honking at him. What more can I do? Jeez, well, I'll get there when I get there. Okay. Apology accepted. I appreciate that. Gotta go. it. We got the transmission cover off. I'm kind of taking this piece by piece. I'm not sure what I want to save for my project or don't. But there's what the inside looks like, and it's not great. So that's fine. We don't even need it. Let's get rid of it. All right, so the only thing left now is get that motor out, get these random brake cables and things cleaned up. Then we can get some good measurements on this thing and figure out how to mount it on the back of that thing. So next step's the motor. All I did is just cut the mounting bracket bolts on each side, did the same thing on the other side that I'm going to do on this side, and then just kind of peeled it out with the tractor. You'll see, it works, you know, great. Pretty sure the GoPro died. I don't know if that shot turned out or not, but check it out. Back of the truck. Not bad for the old 755. Not bad at all. We'll get the rest of that frame cleaned up, and we'll be done with this thing for now. Okay, yeah, so next is just cutting off all these old brake cables and bracketry and random stuff. And then we get to move on to the next thing, which is where we get to measure and think and figure things out. You might say my weaker points, but we're going to do it, and it is going to be awesome. All right, so got all the wires, brake cables, all that stuff shaved off there. We're down to frame, and it looks pretty good. There's a couple spots right there, but that's a pretty notorious Jeep spot. But I do plan on cutting the frame there, putting a bracket here, and that's going to be a hinge point there and on this side. So I'm not too worried about that because I got to do some reinforcement there anyway. I have decided I'm going to take the front axle and move it to the back and just get rid of the back one altogether. And I'll tell you why I'm going to make this the 3-point end and put the steering axle back there. Oh, I'm also going to put some concrete in that old fuel tank. That'll give me some weight. That might help a little bit. So let me tell you, I'm going to use this end for the 3-point hitch. We'll throw it up to Mike real quick at the tractor. All right. Thanks, Mike. Mike up here at the tractor. See that? That's 29 inches. See that? Outside to outside. Pretty close to 29 inches. Back down to Mike at the Jeep frame. See that? That's 29 inches too. Which means that's pretty darn close to the width that I need to make this work without a lot of crazy modifications. So we'll just, oh y'all caught me in my slides. So we'll just take this bumper off. Probably use that seat channel to reinforce back there. That'd be handy if I could just reuse that. And we'll put the 3-point in this end because it's pretty much already the right width. And it's not going to take a lot of modification to make it right. So next, whatever you want to call it on this thing, we're going to get that moved back there, concrete in there, track down some wheels and tires to put on there, and get the 3-point on this end so we can get it hooked up to the tractor and start getting our measurements for where we're going to put the blade. So that'll be next. As always, thanks for watching, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Yeah, have a seat. All right.